Let me tell you a story. So over the weekend, I went to make pancakes for my boys. Simple enough, right? So when I went to open the shelf, the one that's right behind me, I had discovered that overnight the shelf had collapsed. So suddenly I was glitched out. I was like a sim character that was stuck. If you guys play Sims, you know what I'm talking about. Like when you remove an object that the character needs and so it just starts walking back and forth and yelling and crying and everything. That was me. I was glitched. Minus all the yelling and crying and stuff. I had everything I need. I had all the ingredients. I had my bowls. I had everything I needed to make it. But because the shelf completely threw me off, I couldn't focus on the task. I kept walking back and forth in the kitchen between fix the shelf and make pancakes. And all the while, my kids are in the background screaming, "Mom, I'm hungry. I want pancakes." And that really wasn't helping anything at all. Finally, my older son said, "Mom, why don't you just sit down?" And that's not me out of it. I didn't actually sit, but that pause gave me clarity. Take the shelf down, clear the counter, and move on. Here's the point. When things are out of order in your home, your brain glitches. Whether you realize it or not, your brain goes into solution mode because it sees broken as urgent. That stress builds up, it causes anxiety, and it keeps you stuck. Even when you have other priorities that are more pressing, like making pancakes for your kids. In feng shui, broken shelves represent instability and false grounding. And honestly, I feel that because I'm pivoting in my business and there's some things that are unclear and uncertain, and I'm a little shaken up by that. So that broken shelf is a mirror for how I feel internally. A little unsure, a little wobbly. This awareness is key. When you begin to recognize what's out of order in your home, you can stop ignoring the signs. You can say, okay, I see it, and I'll plan to fix it when I'm ready. And then that clarity signals to your brain, okay, everything's under control here. No more chaos, no more glitches. So here's the thing. Regardless or not, if you're bringing your awareness to the broken shelves, the cluttered counters, the blank walls, the outdated decor, your brain is signaling to you that's broken and it needs to be fixed. And it sends you into an energetic spiral, regardless if you recognize it or not. And all these little moments add up into anxiety, stress, and even depression because it raises your cortisol, the stress hormone. And I want to help you out with this because I don't want you to glitch out like me. So in my home body design program, we'll take just one room and go step by step to uncover what's happening in your space right now. How is it reflecting in what's going on in your life? And what do you want to invite in instead? And here's the best part. We're going to design the plan, the colors, the layout, and package it into one complete design plan. And don't worry if you're like, oh, I'm not creative. I've made the system so easy, even a kid could do it. So we're going to bridge the gap, helping you to feel more grounded, aligned, and at ease, and get you ready for those new year, new me 2025 goals so you can quantum leap into your manifestations. If you're tired of feeling stuck and you want to bring in more peace and abundance into your home, this program is for you. Act now, it is the time. This also makes a beautiful gift for a manifestation bestie who wants to come along the ride with you. Take your girl on for the journey. Y'all could do it together. The more, the merrier. I know you probably looking for last minute Christmas gifts. You don't know what to get. That person who has everything and wants to bring in some peace and ease into their life. Someone who wants to get started on their decluttering for the new year. For a limited time, I'm offering an exclusive discount. The price will go up after Christmas, so act fast and act now so that you can get in on this. Let's bring some intention back into your life. Your space can and will support you. Let's stop glitching and start thriving.